Hello class, I am going to show you how to use the LIRN Library tab, which is now located on the home page of your class. So this is a course I'm teaching right now, and if you look to the left, you will see that your announcements, etc. are listed, and if you scroll down, you click on LIRN Library, and it takes you right to the library. So there is no more need for passwords or login information. This is a great feature. So now you can decide which group you want to use. And because we are in nursing, I would pick health and medical. And then you can see there's quite a few databases to choose from. My preferences would be ProQuest Central or Nurse and Allied Health Database. I would not use PubMed because PubMed only, most of the time, they only have abstracts and you have to pay for the full text. So stick to one of these two. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to do your search. So I am going to search for diabetes and heart disease. That's a pretty big category, but we're going to go in that direction. And then I'm going to click on full text and peer reviewed. You always want to have these two selected. Then we'll do our search. And the search will come up with 130,000 results. That's a little overwhelming. So let's do an advanced search. So now I have a few more options and I can narrow down my field. So I'm going to put diabetes and heart disease. And then you can scroll over here and you can pick anywhere you'd want these words to show up. If you really want to limit it, you could say I only want it in the title of the article. But then you'll find you'll get maybe down to too few if it's just looking in there. What I would strongly suggest you do is put in nursing in the second row, and then in here pick publication title. So that's like it's going to be in the name of the journal. And there's, I would say, almost every, if not every, nursing journal has the word nursing in it. So that way now you know I'm always going to get a nursing journal. I've got my full text and peer reviewed listed. And what are my dates? We tell you not to go in the last 5 years. You can put a date range in. I'm going to just put in the last 3 years, but you can make it a broader search and go the last 5 years, but then you have to actually put the dates in. So let's search and see what happens now to the number of articles. I know I'm down to 20. And what's nice about that is that makes it a lot easier for me to decide on which journal I'm going to use. And then you can scroll down, you can see that these come from various places. I know Nursing Standard is a big one out of London. I'm trying to see if Oncology Nursing is another good source, but Nursing Education and Research. So you can take a look at also where these are written and where they come from. So basically, this makes it pretty easy to find your articles for your discussion threads and for your assignments. It's a pretty easy search now, so hopefully you will be able to access this easily. And if you do have any questions, please contact your instructor. We also have a full-time librarian that is available during the day. So again, if you have any questions, contact your instructor.